Cuzzintruck with at this point I almost feel like calling myself Uncle Truck, because what you just saw, y'all gotta stop that. I mean, some of us have been in this Central Florida car scene long enough to know that those are the type of things that causes shows to get shut down. People, even as car content creators, we get it. We get it. But we also have to try to be safe. Some of us have been around long enough to remember when there was only one Orlando Cars and Coffee, which was down in Celebration. And then once the kids started coming in doing silly stuff, that show ended up getting shut down. And that's when this big split of cars and coffee events throughout Central Florida started. I'm just here to say, you know, let's be careful. Let's be wise about the things we're doing, because we enjoy coming to these car shows. We all love it. But, I mean, come on. Don't, please, do not ruin it for everybody. You know, we don't want to lose another show because of accidents or because people are tearing up the streets. I mean, you got to realize, too, there's people who live in these communities, and if they got to drive by a bunch of skid marks on their way home at night, you know, they may start complaining. Think about the shows, the events, the people who put this stuff together, because, you know, they're giving us an opportunity that a lot of places don't have. And I mean, I feel like in Central Florida, we're lucky to have so many car events, because there's a lot of places that don't have any car events. So let's not ruin a good thing, guys. All right, peace.
about to do it.
You were the one who asked me to record you. Know what you got to say?
Why you putting that so? You said subscribe, leave a like, and share the video.
All right.